Hi everybody, a quick review on the SENA Calvary Helmet. I really do like this helmet. However, there are two flaws with it that I thought I'd bring to your attention. As I looked in reviews, I certainly couldn't find this, or nobody had pointed it out anyway. The first one, and probably the biggest flaw, is the earpieces. These pieces right here. They give you two different sets. One is insulated, which is what I have on there, and the other is not insulated. They are, for lack of a better word, just unusable, let's say. So you wind up having to use the insulated ones if you want to hear anything at any speed. The problem with these, and my helmet is only 3 months old, is these fall right out. Now, there's a little piece of leather here that this strap here would tuck into, and that's the only thing that actually holds that in when this thing wiggles out. And too often while you're riding down the road, I've had mine actually wiggle out and fall off and dangle in my ear. One being a hazard, number two just being very irritating. What I had to do to stop it is basically I just took some black duct tape, and by putting 3 pieces of tape on the outside, or actually just overlapping it, I tucked it back in, and now that stays in there pretty good. I'm tugging on it pretty good, and I don't expect that it will fall out. And you can see how the strap locks it in place. These things really needed to be much thicker than what they are. And like I say, it's not like it's been taken apart too many times. That to me is the biggest problem that I see with the helmet. However, when those are in place and you are using the padded ones, really I can hear at most speeds. Highway stuff is a little more difficult, but I can hear a conversation pretty well. If there's a lot of traffic or around a lot of other bikes, obviously it gets a little harder, but all in all, real good helmet. The other thing, and I've heard people complain about that too, is there is no shield. You know, for a $350 helmet, I would have expected a shield to be in there. I'm sure next year at some point, Calvary Helmet 2.0 is going to wind up having a shield, and hopefully they'll get some complaints about these things and make them a little thicker so they actually stay in place. And it's not like if they fall out, you can go over to your bike shop and they'll have a new set there for you. You basically make the helmet almost unusable, at least from the Bluetooth perspective anyway. Well, thanks for listening. I hope it helped you out.